Welcome back to another video from WEBA. Is your smartwatch not charging or charging super slowly? Have you noticed about that? Okay, well, let me tell you, it might actually be your charger. And in today's video, I will explain which charger you need and how to avoid damaging your smartwatch. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, let's identify the type of charger we are dealing with. And no, I'm not talking about this part here. We will call this the charging head. I'm actually talking about the type of cable that come with the watch. There are three main types. The first one is the magnetic charger with pins. This one is the most commonly used in generic and budget smartwatches. Then we have the wireless charging cable, like this one right here. It doesn't have any pins. And lastly, the proprietary charging base, which could look like this or even something like this. By the way, the charger with the pins looks pretty much like this. It includes the little metal contact right here. Those are the charging pins. Alright, back to the main point. So how do you know which one you need? If your watch has two metal pins, it uses the magnetic type. You will usually find those on the back on your watch. Let me show you right here. Let's zoom in a bit. See those two little metal dots, the charging port for the magnetic pin type. Now, if the back of your watch is smooth, it probably uses wireless charging. This type has no pins, and usually it has been of resistance when you attach it. As you can see, it has a magnet, but it's not super strong. Still, that's wireless charging. Then there are unusual charger design, which are usually based on the manufacturer. For example, here this one, and here's another. Clearly, this is a low-cost model, but it is still uses a unique charging cable. You place it like this and plug it into the charging head, just like this. Now let's talk about recommendations. Always try to use the original cable, or at least a very high quality compatible one. Also check the charging adapter. It should be 5 volts 1 amp or 5 volts 2 amps. Take a look in this one. It says 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, and 12 volts 1.66 amps. That's a lot, and it's too much for the watch. You could actually damage it. So always make sure your adapter is 5 volts 1 amp. That's the safe zone. Don't use the fast phone chargers. It might ruin your smartwatch battery. A bad charger can seriously shorten the life of your device, so keep that in mind. Now tell me, did you already know which charger your smartwatch uses? Leave a comment and subscribe for more tech tips here on La WEBA. That's all for today's video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it, and I wish you a beautiful day. See you in the next one. Bye bye.